Hello. So hi guys. In today's video I will be unboxing these. See, these are Realme Buds Wireless 2 which I ordered directly from Realme website and which cost me the rupees 2299 or approximately 2300 in INR, and the warranty period of these neckband headphones is 1 year or 12 months, which is stated on the Realme official website realme.com/in/legal/warranty hyphen terms, which you can check it yourself. There are four versions of this neckbands. First is Realme Buds Wireless, second Realme Buds Wireless 2, third Realme Buds Wireless 2 Neo, and fourth one is Realme Buds Wireless Pro. Okay, this is Realme Buds Wireless 2. So this comes with a dart charge, and what's in the dart charge, you guys will be thinking. So the company claims that in within 10 minutes, after 10 minutes of charge, it will give 12 hours of playtime. See, these are magnetic earbuds, and the wireless range of this device is 10 meters, and the Bluetooth technology it is using is 5.0. The maximum charging time is 50 minutes, and battery life will be of 22 hours maximum. The main feature of this, why I bought this, is because it comes with ANC, active noise cancellation, and one more feature one more feature which is good in this way, which I found good in this device, is because it uses LDAC technology. See, LDAC, some of you guys already know about LDAC, and I will tell you about this LDAC also. LDAC is what? LDAC is a audio technology from Sony that allows you to enjoy like high quality wireless audio via Bluetooth. Mm. So actually it is a codec that allows you to stream high resolution audio up to like 32 bit or 96 kilohertz over Bluetooth up to 990 kbps. You can check it on the internet also. I will quickly tell you about the other description of this. And before buying this, I checked on the internet, on the internet, on the YouTube also. There are more than 4.4 ratings of this device, so I bought it. And these comes in two colors, the black and the white ones. I bought the white ones. Mm. The charging, gaming, etc. Yeah, the first one is candy gray, the second color is candy yellow, and one more thing, it is IPX5 water resistance. So unless you drown it in a swimming pool, it will work on a rainy day. Hmm. And also, you can control this. You can customize your output of the audio from a app given by Realme. It's a Realme Link app which you can connect it to these audio headphones, and you can customize your noise control, like n- if you want to use noise cancellation mode, normal mode, transparency mode, or if you want to use the maximum boost, the maximum bass boost, or dynamic or bright, etc. You can also enhance your volume levels using the Realme app. Hmm. I think that's all. So I will just quickly unbox this and let's see what's inside the box. So I will be cutting this.